Your parents must have dreamt of you working for an esteemed company like LG Soft. You can fulfill their dreams through LG Soft recruitment exam. So what is LG Soft? Established in 1998, LG Soft is headquartered in Mumbai, India. It develops and markets software solutions focusing on wireless, digital television, home networking, manufacturing, retail and distribution, healthcare, information technology, human resources and maintenance, repair and operation, MRO industries. It offers services that include business processes, application architecting and development, quality analysis and testing, and products content and code development. Hey, I'm Siddhartha Serene and this is Youth for Work. If you want to know the eligibility, exam pattern and tips to crack the LG Soft recruitment exam, then you must watch the playlist till the end.